Have you ever felt like giving up? Like you've reached the end of the road, and there's no way forward? If you have, you're not alone. Life has a way of knocking us down when we least expect it. Maybe it's the loss of a job, the breakdown of a relationship, or simply feeling like you've lost purpose. It can be overwhelming, and it's easy to feel like giving up is the only option. But here's the thing. Giving up is not the end. It's actually a turning point. It's the space where we get to decide, do we stay down or do we rise again stronger and wiser? Step 1. Acceptance. It's okay to feel lost. The first step to restarting your life is acceptance. It's okay to admit that things didn't work out the way you planned. Too often, we cling to the idea that failure is something shameful. But failure is simply feedback. It's life's way of saying, try a different path. Accept that you're in a difficult place, but remember, it's not a permanent state. When we accept where we are without judgment, we free ourselves from the burden of regret and self-criticism. This creates the mental space needed for something new to emerge. Step 2. Self-reflection, finding the root cause. After acceptance comes reflection. Ask yourself, why did I give up? What went wrong? What can I learn from this? Often, giving up isn't about a lack of ability. It's about mental exhaustion, fear, or feeling unsupported. Take the time to understand your emotions and the patterns in your life. Are you trying to meet unrealistic expectations? Are you comparing your journey to others? When you uncover the real reasons behind your struggles, you can begin to change them. Step 3. Set small, achievable goals. Restarting your life doesn't mean you have to make drastic changes overnight. The key is to start small. Set simple, achievable goals that you can complete in the short term. For example, if you're trying to rebuild your career, don't aim to become CEO in a month. Start by updating your resume or taking an online course. Small victories build momentum, and with momentum comes confidence. Each step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to the life you want. Step 4. Surround yourself with positivity. The people we surround ourselves with have a huge impact on how we see the world. If you've been feeling stuck or defeated, it might be time to reevaluate your environment. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you, those who encourage your growth and believe in your potential. And if you don't have such people around you, seek out positive influences online, podcasts, motivational talks, or supportive communities. Energy is contagious, and being around the right kind of energy can reignite your motivation. Step 5. Be kind to yourself. Progress takes time. Restarting life is a journey, not a sprint. There will be days when you feel stuck again, and that's okay. Self-compassion is a powerful tool. Instead of saying, I failed again, say, it's okay, I'm still learning. Remember, every great success story is filled with chapters of struggle. What matters is that you keep turning the pages. Conclusion: the power of restarting. Giving up doesn't define you. What defines you is what you do after you give up. Restarting your life isn't about erasing your past. It's about learning from it, growing through it, and using it as the foundation for something better. So, if you've given up before, know this. It's not too late. You can restart, rebuild, and succeed. You have the strength, you have the wisdom, and you have the power to create a life that you're proud of. As the saying goes, every new beginning comes from some other beginning's end. Let today be the start of something new, something beautiful. Let today be the day you choose to rise again. If you found this helpful, Feel free to share it with someone who might benefit from it. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.